Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to send video on Discord mobile. So then to send video on Discord, first thing first, update your application and then log in and make sure to check your internet connection. Now in order to send video on Discord, first of all, access your gallery app. And for example, let's go with this particular video. So let's go with this one. So if you're sure about sending the video, tap the share icon from the bottom right hand side and swipe up, and after that go ahead and tap the more button. Once you do that, you'll be able to find the app list. So from the list, you need to go ahead and tap on Discord. Once you select Discord, it's going to take you to the other interface where you'll be asked to provide in the comment. So you can go ahead and type in the comment, and then you also need to select the channel or a category where you actually want to send. Once you've done that, you'll be able to tap the share button from the top. After you've done that, you'll be able to send video on Discord. So in this way you can send video on Discord. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.